Triumph achieved significant success with the introduction of the Trident 660 for the 2021 model year, reporting global sales exceeding 35,600 units. This facilitated a straightforward decision to enhance the Roadster for 2025, incorporating improved suspension and electronics. The engine is a 660 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC inline triple, producing 80 horsepower at 10,250 RPM and 47 lb-ft at 6,250 RPM, identical to the preceding generation. Although the peak stats remain constant, Triumph has introduced a new sport ride mode for the Trident, providing a more responsive option alongside the existing road and rain settings. In 2025, Triumph equipped the Trident with a 6-axis IMU, enabling cornering ABS and cornering traction control. A bidirectional quickshifter and cruise control are now standard equipment, having previously been sold as accessories. The 2025 Trident 660 is equipped with a Showa 41mm separate function fork big piston, SFF-BP, superseding the prior SFF unit. The upper yoke is now a newly forged aluminum component. The preload adjustable Showa RSU rear shock remains unaltered. The braking system provided by Nissan features twin 2-piston calipers at the front with 310mm discs, and a single-piston caliper at the rear with a 255mm disc. The specifications are consistent with 2024, however, the revised model is equipped with a new forged aluminum brake pedal. The Trident's retro-modern design re-emerges in 4 color options: Cosmic Yellow, Cobalt Blue, Diablo Red, and Jet Black. The 2025 Triumph Trident 660 is set to debut in U.S. showrooms in December, with a starting price of $8,595. Whether navigating rush-hour traffic or enjoying a weekend ride, the balanced chassis and high-quality components provide effortless, intuitive, and sporty handling. The Trident 660 is ideally suited for urban living, featuring an approachable seat height and short width that facilitate confident foot placement and low-speed navigation. Its inherent balance, easy clutch operation, and seamless power delivery enhance the enjoyment of city riding. The Trident 660 features an accessible seat height of 31.7 inches, a natural riding position, and a neutral handling chassis, all contributing to a confidence-inspiring experience. Incorporate a lightweight clutch with seamless engagement, an engaging yet consistent power delivery, plus an array of standard safety features, and you own the ideal large motorcycle. Traversing roads, enjoying music, or maintaining communication while in transit has never been simpler. Seamless Bluetooth smartphone configuration and user-friendly functionality while in transit, encompassing all attributes of the normal installation. The Triumph connectivity module is accessible and manageable through the Trident 660's TFT instruments, ensuring connectivity and navigation accuracy. The Trident 660 bundle begins with competitive cost. The superior construction quality and exclusive use of premium materials result in service intervals of every 10,000 miles, allowing for increased time on the road rather than in the workshop. The Trident 660 offers a global 2-year, unlimited mileage guarantee and impressive residual value at trade-in, making ownership both economical and enjoyable.